It was a tragedy foretold. Brazil has officially recorded more than 1 million COVID-19 cases, with a single-day record on Friday of 55,000. The numbers keep rising even as Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo, the two hardest hit states, reopen for business. And what people think about it depends on who you talk to.
Como brasileiro, fico triste.
As a Brazilian, I feel sad we reached such a number. It could have been avoided, but nobody seems to care.
I feel safe. I use alcohol gel. I take care of myself and keep distance from others.
Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro continues to flaunt mitigation recommendations, showing up in person with no mask to greet his supporters, at the same time casting doubt on his own government's official figures.
Sorry about the number of deaths we are reporting, but the information is confusing. Some hospitals say that up to 40% of the deceased that have now been counted as COVID-19 victims actually died from other causes.
And there are grim reminders that more heartache is to come, as some models show Brazil passing the US in COVID-19 fatalities in the next 2 months. Political scientist Robert Muga puts the blame for Brazil's COVID crisis on the shoulders of the president.
But the biggest challenge facing Brazil has been, frankly, the lack of leadership and the dangerous and almost irresponsible leadership of its president. Right now, the greatest threat facing Brazil is Jair Bolsonaro.
With more than 90% occupancy in intensive care units in the hardest hit states and a chronic shortage of critical medical resources, the future continues to look bleak. And now, with the lockdown all but completely abandoned, health experts fear that there is seemingly little to stop a sad situation from becoming even worse. Lucrecia Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.